One of the things that is a key component in our system is that we have redundancy in every single point of our system. So we have 2 rectifiers to be able to convert from AC to DC. We use multiple 8 inverters to provide our output instead of using monolithic devices. The advantage that this gives us is that if one should fail, we don't lose capacity to our client's home, and they're able to be hot swapped without being put into bypass like some of our competitors, and allows you, the dealer, to be able to maintain the client systems without having to bring an electrician on site. Same thing with the batteries. Our batteries are on 3 separate circuit breakers, so should a battery have a challenge, we can replace that entire string of batteries, again, without taking the house down. And again, the whole system is designed to be maintained by our dealer base without having to bring anybody else into the system to do that maintenance for it. For more information on the RoseWater products, please go to rosewaterinnergy.com. We have a lot of information on there and all of our contact information. We'd love to work with you on your next project and help get RoseWater in to protect your clients' homes.